I'm Drew, crafter behind RTG Studios. So today we're going to unbox the newest Poolin EOC03, a 2-in-1 embroidery and sewing machine. So I'm so excited to see what's inside this box, and let's get started.
Now I opened the box at the bottom so it would be easier to access the box inside. I'll show you everything that's inside the box and how it's arranged, so you can still pack everything back into the box if you need to take it somewhere. What I really love is that it already comes with all the basic materials you'll need. All the essential accessories are included, so you have everything you need to get started and practice your very first embroidery project. Now, let's take a look inside this mini organizer where all the accessories we can use are neatly stored. Let's assemble the thread stand. I'll show you how to put it together step by step. This is how you attach the embroidery unit, and this is how you release it. There's a release handle right here inside. Just pull it and that's it. So that's it. In my next video, I'll show you my first time using the embroidery machine, including my very first embroidery project and how I set everything up. So stay tuned!